Hey, my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall skilla.
So, I walked this morning and I found my favorite little ends of Walla Meds. And it's me and my marina. So, forgive me for the marina, but I can't wait for really have that reasoning here. Because my concern about the place where Jamaica is right now, really concerned, as it relates to crime, murders in our country, and the amount of people that is being murdered on a regular basis. We're not finished the third month of the year, and the latest crime stats is that we're gone over 310 people murdered in Jamaica since the start of the year. There has to be an immediate intervention. An immediate intervention is needed. You see, if we look at the COVID-19 situation, the amount of money we're spending on COVID right now, and what we're spending on crime right now, we're not getting value for the money. So, as a people, we need to stop what we're doing, because what we're doing is not working. We need to make a new plan now, or change to something new. And I'm suggesting that there are avenues that we can take that will help to reduce this killing. I said to the man them long time, and I say it again, we have to start going after the guns. There has to be a concerted effort by all and sundry to get as much of these guns and gunmen off the road as quick as possible. The COVID-19 is spiking, it's rising, everything is getting out of control. So the country, in my estimation, when I feel right now, when I think about my country and my people, the country are free fall. We're in a free fall. The pilot must wake up and let's see if we can restart this engine and see if we can start rise again. Because we're not rising right now. So, it is my opinion that an effort be made now, you know, in more ways than one. There's social issues that we need. And right now, I believe that a major social intervention is needed in Jamaica. An effort to get the guns and get the criminals. And the COVID-19 spike, we need to stop that also. The curfew we're doing, not working out. So I'm suggesting that we either lock down the country or open it up. Enough people now gonna agree with this and like what me I say now, but me believe the country will lock down. 3 weeks, full lockdown, tighter than a sardine tin, under a state of emergency. Every police, every soldier on the street. Yeah? We're searching for guns, we're locking down for COVID because we're going to burn out the COVID. It can be done easily. You give a week prior to the lockdown, where we open the country fully for 24 hours a day. Extend banking hours, extend shopping hours, and you give people 1 full week to gather up. The government have the capacity to assist with food for people who need food that was going to stay in for the 3 weeks. I will lock down the country for 3 weeks. This is everybody now working for the country. And all of us are going to be. Because if you don't burn out the virus not going away. If we continue to do the things we are doing, the virus will spread. And it is spreading. So we must stop movements. 3 weeks is good enough. So it's a 4-week project we're going on. Every Jamaican are part of the project. 4-week project. 1 week where we're going out and we're going to gather up all we need to gather. And we're not going bungle up either. Because that is the other thing. When you open up, you can say 5 persons to any gathering. If you see more than 5, we are going to charge, ticket. Yeah? It's not just the proprietor who is going to be charged or who needs to be charged. Anywhere you go and you see 4 people, you must be hesitant to go in there. But when you go there and see 5, you know you definitely cannot stand up anywhere within 10 feet of that area. You're protecting yourself and you're protecting everybody else. So the project that the country needs to go on is that every man are going to play them role now. Because we're going to decide and take a month, burn out the virus. Then we deal with control entry. Anybody coming in must come with them negative COVID tests or know that you were vaccinated. And we still enforce the mask wearing when we come out of that because you need a good 2 months of going down or no case. Yeah? If we don't work that way there, it not going to make. For over a year, we've been doing curfews. And all that happens is that we keep getting increased numbers. For so long, we've been working on crime the same way. In that COVID period, man, no man off that road. If you need to go, you say there are certain places that will open, you know. The pharmacies will open. Gas station will open. Supermarket will open. But designated supermarket will open designated day. But you know, say every day supermarket will open. And if a man need to go out there and go out there, there's a hotline set up for every parish where you book a hotel, get in some workers for the 3 weeks. And in fact, it's going to be the 4 weeks because they are going to be there indeed to be there to prepare those call centers where you're there at home and you have an emergency. You call, you get assistance. If you need to go on the road, you go. But you know you're going out there for a legitimate reason and you will be stopped by the police because it's a state of emergency as well. You understand? It's a project the country needs to go upon so as to deal with the virus. It can be dealt with. We can do it, Jamaica. But what we're doing now, not working. So we need some change. And listen, this me I do it and me I put out. This is not politics, brother. This is governance and this is to help my country. I believe I have a part to play as a part of the project. And me I said to it, we could do this. We could stop being fools. And because I know you come with the idea now, people are dying in every way. COVID has killed people. Murder killed people. How much people die from COVID? How much people dead from COVID at Portland? Or the correct sentence is, how many people have died from the COVID virus in Portland since last year? I think Portlanders need to know that. It's something I've been trying to find out. I've made a couple of calls already from morning. I haven't gotten any answer to my calls as yet. But I'm trying to find out because I think it might be alarming if we get the right figure that we hearing on the road. Because we on the road, I hear the things them. But me I say, my brethren, make an effort, concerted effort, all Jamaicans, all hands on deck. That's what we are talking about. And do that project here. Otherwise, we have to open up the country wide, the 24 hours a day. And enforce the 5 people gathering where you hear me talk about. Me think that is a weak option. But it's another option. But the curfew, I've been saying it and me I beg on it. It's not happening. Make we change the strategy. Either full lockdown or open up even wider. So that you can have less people congregating. That means the tax office now have to ram up outside. Not because you don't have a crowd inside, but it ram outside. Open tax office for 24 hours a day then. Or even up to 10 o'clock put people on shift and create some employment. That can be another thing we try to. But the curfew, my friend. Make we change the plan. Make we change the plan. Make we put some proper focus on crime. The murders in Jamaica is just too much. Way too much, my people. And it is costing us in every way. Listen, the amount in the budget for crime. Every businessman will tell you the amount of security. And it is giving us bad press abroad. Tarnishing our reputation. We have everything to fight for the Jamaican people. And I am saying to our leaders now, make we take up this challenge here. Forget the peas. We are Jamaicans. I know everyone now is Jamaican. So make we take up this challenge here to fix the country higher. Make we fix the country. I beg the eye them.
I agree with a lot of things that this person said. I agree with many of the things that he said. You see, when him talk about shutting down the country totally for a certain amount of time or opening up the country totally. I kind of have a 50-50 agree or disagree opinions about those things that he said. You see me I say? Yeah, because think about the economy of Jamaica if you're going to do any of those things. And also think about how it might affect persons within the country of Jamaica, or should I say people within the country of Jamaica. You see me I say? Yes, so you know, a lot of the things that this person said makes a lot of sense. But some of the things I kind of hesitate to agree. You see me? Yeah. Anyways, I just presented to you a video that shows a person concerned about what's going on within the country of Jamaica when it comes down to crime and violence and the COVID-19. You see me? Yeah. And I presented this video to you so that you can hear some of the things that he said, and you can also let me know if you agree or if you disagree with the things that he said. You see it? Alright, Dancehall Skilla channel is a channel where your voice can be heard. You see me? As long as you don't say certain things that are totally inappropriate or overboard. You see me? When it comes down to certain situations. You see me? I say, alright. But anyways, you know, big up and respect to each and every one. Alright, let me know if you agree or if you disagree with the things that this person said, and here's where I'm going to leave it. Alright, so until the next time, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. I'm in name Dancehall Skilla, you know? I want to big up on yourself. You see it?
Hey, my youth, you know what you watch? Dancehall skilla. Hear me now? Hey yo, skilla. You are watching Dancehall Skilla Entertainment.